How do I see my purchase history on TEMU? Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can see our purchase history on TEMU app. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, download the TEMU application onto your device. After that, you just need to log into your account. After that, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're gonna do in order to see your history is just go to the U section at the very middle. After that, you'll be able to see your orders options very easily. Simply tap on it, and here you should be able to see all of your orders, including your history. So what you're gonna do is simply tap all on all orders, or you may just go to delivered here or shipped, and you should be able to see your delivered orders, the history of everything. You can go to this returns, deliver, ship, processing, and all orders, and you should be able to see your orders history very easily on TEMU app. So just follow the steps. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.